This week, I'd like to talk about passing the family business down to the next generation and some things to think about when you're in the process or at least planning for it. I do understand the topic. I'm the third generation in my own family that's doing estate planning in some form or another. And there were discussions about what to do with the family business when it came to the third generation. I've been helping business owners with this for 30 years now as an attorney and wrote about it in last week's Los Angeles Daily Journal newspaper and be happy to share the article with you if you'd like a copy of it. Some issues to think about when you are doing the planning or at least discussing it and seeing if even people are interested. First is leave plenty of time for the plan and set some sort of timeline goal for beginning to end and what that looks like. How will it be handled? A lot of times people talk about a gift of the ownership, or instead, will there be a purchase of some kind? How do you treat other children fairly if they're not involved in the business? And how do you want to take care of them? Another topic that comes up is will you, as the owner currently, need income from the business in retirement? And how is that going to be handled and planned? What kind of income would your children need when they run the business? And something else to think about too, as people may not want to discuss these things, but they are issues that may come up and cause the plan to fail at some point in the future. Also, plan for contingencies. What if your child decides at some point they really don't want to be involved in the business? Or what happens if there's a death or disability? And these usually are unexpected or at least come at the wrong time. And so, is there a written agreement to address these issues? Do you have life insurance, or is it a good idea to help compensate the non business owners or even help with the transition to make sure everyone's taken care of? There's also tax issues, things like capital gains tax, and if that applies in a purchase or a sale or a gift or inheritance. Also, estate tax. There is a way to delay paying the estate tax or at least stretch it out over a long period of time if estate tax is an issue. And that also takes some planning to see if that is going to be something that's helpful in your case. The bottom line is to start discussions now. Give us a call to start planning, and also be sure to involve the other business advisors like CPAs and consultants, even business coaches, in the plan as well, just to make sure it works the way everyone hopes it will.